Hey everyone, so I've got my 10-inch king-size mattress here from Life Balance. Let's go ahead and take it out of the box and I'll show you what it looks like. You can see here, this is actually the bottom part here. The bottom part has this nice thick polyurethane foam here, and then the top part that's going to be against your body has this cooling gel right here, which is nice and thick. I tend to sleep hot, and this helps to dissipate my heat and doesn't concentrate all in one area. But you can see here, it's just really nice and thick, and I like that it's gel infused. And what I love about the cooling gel and the fact that it's foam is that as I'm moving around at night, because I tend to sleep on my side, my wife is not going to feel me moving around, because this definitely helps dampen the motion transfer. And then with the cooling gel, instead of the heat being situated right here along my body, the cooling gel is going to help dissipate that heat out through this way. So that way it's not going to feel too hot right in one area. It's going to feel really good, especially during the summer. It looks really nice here. It's very well made. All the stitching looks fantastic. There's no loose threads at all whatsoever. It's made very nice construction here. So I'm really looking forward to sleeping on my gel-infused mattress.